Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Bakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Nominai shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
No need for...
Oh, I'm sorry.
Recruits crossing to oh, wow.
Initiate sequence on deck. Believe you're being called.
The last time I was here for 9 days, the entire pre-show was down every single time we came to get on. So they'd walk you through all of that and then walk you into that door. Yeah.
Yes. You want to kind of look around. I'm going to stand in the corner here. There's some stuff that happens out the back window that a lot of people miss. They're looking forward.
Are you not team ready?
Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsions and hold on, recruits. All ships, on. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. I'm looking at that again now.
Yeah.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. Go check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute, reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Red 2, 1 coming. Blue 5, take evasive action.
Try to shake your window. We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw the line.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
One in there.
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little quick, get out there.
They'll want a location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
I've never seen the other side. Get ready to.
Mission is now under the command of the First Order. You will all proceed down the hallway on your right for processing and interrogation. Get out.
Get out.
My group, if you'd like to take a quick photo in front of the troopers, we can do that before we move on.
Oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Show your
thank you.
camera.
No worries. I'm okay. I got plenty of photos with me.
Got it? Okay.
Right here, single file, one behind the other. The two least favorite. Who are the two least favorites? You're down here with me.
Oh, you're the least favorite. I'm sorry. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, you two. These two are the least favorite. You two
Oh.
We're the troublemakers.
I can tell. Although that one has a pretty nasty looking scar on her chest that you should really get a look at.
Oh.
Yes, right there. It went through.
That's so neat. Hold on.
It's orange and black. Those are ugly colors that should not go well together.
When we have time inside the cell to come up with a better line.
Orange.
Your own shoulder to get pulled off.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's so exciting.
Enemies from the first.
Jazz
You will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base. I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
All bags at your feet, seatbelts are latched to your right. All bags.
Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck,
Taking the
we need to find a way.
Alright, my front row, can you guys pull the yellow tab? Pull the yellow tabs on your right side. Everyone hold hands up, both hands up, both hands up and down. Take off anything on top of your head, hold on to all loose items.
I just checked my head. I was like, do I have something that I didn't know about?
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, then go to the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention goal reach. Prisoners not seen on level D. There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruits! The escape pods just below us. Take the lift down. Hurry! Hurry! No, I said down! Authorization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. The destroyer's about.
Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the Beck. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.